to my YouTube channel. This is Savannah Renee here. I'm back with another video, and of course today is not a hair review. It's actually just an unboxing. I ordered something off of Amazon and I'm really excited to see how it comes out. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. I ordered this today and it came today, so I was really excited about that. At first I was kind of nervous, like it was 5 o'clock and I'm like, where's my package? You know, I need this for my video because I'm gonna start using this for my YouTube. So yeah, I really like that they're like really informative and let you know like every step of the way with your package. So this is how it looks. The box. And, I almost broke my nail trying to grab the box, which now my nail has a heartbeat. And you get this little mini box. This is for like a ring light to hold your phone. And then you have a clicker so you can do pictures. This is a tripod stand. This is tall. Yeah, this is really tall. I thought it was gonna be shorter, but looks can be deceiving. Don't judge a book by its cover. Let's start back. So this is a ring light. That was the unboxing for today. I got a ring light that has an actual place that you can put your phone, so I don't have to find a place to put my phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. I will leave all the information and the link down below for the company that I got it from off of Amazon. And my outfit is from Fashionova if you wanted to know. It's actually y'all see, it's a high-waist shorts. I don't know if y'all can see. If you're wondering where my hair is from, it's from ksweetshaircompany. They're located in Dallas, and she does ship. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.